Yo, what's up, guys? This won't be a whole talk the entire time. I hate those videos. I don't want to make them myself. But there's not enough videos showing about how to mess with the Audi 3.2 liter or the Q5 with the 3.2 liter. Anyway, not the point. Let's get straight to the point. All right. I forgot what goes here because I parked this car like months ago. Oh, I see it. So that, you're going to want to take that off. And that goes right here. This will give you some room, some breathing room, because I think it does hang over a tiny bit. I forgot how it sits. It's been a while. My belt popped, and this car, when I tried to like do it the first time, I literally was about to lose my mind because it's so fucking difficult. Excuse my French. Right after I finish the sentence, I'm going to post a screenshot into the video, and it's going to show the belt diagram. And on that diagram, you have to do it in the order that it says. I'm telling you, order will just keep falling off, and it's so frustrating. I forgot which order it goes since I don't have the picture pulled up right this second, but it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last one is the tensioner pulley. And that one is the one that's going to give you a fucking lot of trouble. It's a 17 millimeter bolt. Let's see if we can see it. I'm going to try to get an angle on it for you. Okay, you can kind of barely see it. Let's see. Damn, you can't see this shit at all. It's like right here, kind of where I'm pointing my finger at. Kind of right, it's hot. I was just driving, so kind of under here, and you're gonna put a 17 millimeter on that, but you're gonna need a breaker bar. I did not have a breaker bar, but I had this, so I slid the ratchet into this end, and then I pulled down on it, and it gave me a ton of leverage, and I had to have someone hold it while I slipped it on. But what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to start, you're gonna probably like want to put that alternator one on first, come up here with this top, come around, and then you're gonna have to get underneath and do the underneath parts. And you're gonna have you probably want two people here, I'm not gonna lie. You want someone to hold it so it doesn't come off. You want to make sure it stays within the lines and all that good stuff. But really all that, it really wasn't that bad, especially once I had it all on there. It was kind of a pain getting the tensioner pulley went on, but you get it. Also, really quickly, I thought you did have to take all this off just to change the belt. I'm not gonna lie. It really felt that way the first time, but once you get it, you can just do it. Also, you want a belt that's tight. Don't buy some cheap Amazon shit. You buy some cheap Amazon shit, it's not gonna work. It's gonna be like flexing while you're trying to grab, and then it's just not gonna work. Well, all right. I hope that video helps you guys out.